You say Davis like Davis Drake?
Not Davis Drake, FPV Davis, Bridger Davis.
I don't know him.
Less than 5.
Channels on how they qualified to this one. It wasn't seeded qualifying, so the highest qualifier is race band 1 in the heat as they shuffle them up, the lowest on 8. Not sure why that happened, a feature that just didn't work this time around. So that is easy to follow when they take off, but you're watching McStrally. He is your reigning micro champion of the Megatron X a couple of months ago, and he is going to crash into our start-finish gate. He was the guy that we thought was going to do some damage, and that he does, sadly. So he crashes out on the lead lap. FPV Davis was your leader after 1. There you're going to move Sheepers, the number 2 spot, Night Flyer in the number 3. That'll put JT FPV in 4th, Rodimir FPV in 5th, Claymore in 6th, Big Russ in 7th, and that is after 1. They're telling me inside of that, the tunnel as they go through, BMS Thomas was up to 71 miles an hour out of that tunnel. Right now, my scoring system tells me McStrally was faster than this one, was about 52. We'll see the difference between our timing systems and calculations and the actual radar that Radar has got going. Let's pick up your leader here. That's FPV Davis. He's on lap number 3. Sheepers now on 3 in the number 2 spot. Night Flyer in the number 3 spot. JT FPV is in 4th, but Rody FPV is in 5th, 1.7 seconds back, and they are working on their last lap. Big Russ is in the number 6 spot, I believe. This is the final lap. There's the ding because FPV Davis walked away with that one. 3 laps, 134 for the win, and a bunch still to finish here. We started with 8. Looks like we're going to get 5 done. Next to go up high will be Sheepers finishing 2nd in this one. 3 laps and 149 to move up in our winners bracket. Then it's Night Flyer and JT FPV 3rd and 4th. Our congrats to them. And it looks like 1 more to finish here, even though he's going to finish up in the number 5 spot. A good finish in the preliminary round for Big Russ. He'll finish in 5th. Keyword is finish right there. Down we go. So FPV Davis, Sheepers, Night Flyer, and JT FPV are your top 4. They are going to move up. Big